You have been lied to. You think the middle class is a safety net. It is not. It is a mathematical cage designed to keep you working until you are 65.
You are likely a high earner. You make six figures. You have the title. But your net worth is flat. Why? Because you are trading your freedom for status. You are buying liabilities that society told you were assets. In this video, I will give you the three-step exit strategy to leave the middle class forever.
And you need to stay for step number 3. It is the asset first rule. The exact mathematical hack I use to buy luxury cars and travel for free using other people's money. Let's dismantle the cage. I want to introduce you to someone. Let's call him Kevin. We all know a Kevin. Kevin works in sales, or maybe tech. He makes $150,000 a year.
Kevin drives a brand new Range Rover. He wears a $12,000 Rolex. He posts pictures of his $200 sushi dinners on Instagram every Friday night. Looking at Kevin, you think, wow, he made it. He's rich.
But I have seen Kevin's bank account, and let me tell you a secret. Kevin is broke. Kevin lives paycheck to paycheck.
If he lost his job tomorrow, he would lose the Range Rover in 30 days and the house in 60. Kevin isn't wealthy. Kevin is a high-speed hamster. He runs incredibly fast just to stay in the same place.
Kevin represents the middle-class trap. He is the enemy, not because he is a bad person, but because he is following a script designed to keep him poor. And the terrifying part? You are probably copying Kevin.
You are copying his spending, you are copying his debts, you are copying his investing advice. Today, we are going to dissect Kevin's life.
We are going to look at the 7 tricks society uses to keep him trapped, and we are going to do the exact opposite. Trick number 1, the monthly payment illusion.
Watch how Kevin buys a car. He walks into the dealership. The salesman asks, "How much can you afford per month?" Kevin says, "I can do $900. The salesman smiles. He stretches the loan to 84 months. He adds interest. Kevin drives away in a $60,000 car, thinking he won because the payment fits his budget. He lost.
The wealthy never ask, what is the monthly payment? They ask, what is the cost of capital? And is this an asset or a liability?
While Kevin is paying 8% interest on a depreciating metal box, the optimizer is driving a 3-year-old car paid in cash and investing that $900 into Bitcoin or index funds. In 10 years, Kevin has an old car. You have a Lamborghini fund. Trick number 2, the big house prison. Kevin's biggest pride is his house. It's huge, 4 bedrooms, a lawn he hates mowing. He tells everyone, rent is throwing money away. My house is an asset. Wrong.
Let's look at the math. Kevin pays the mortgage, property tax, insurance, repairs, interest. Every month, money flows out of his pocket. By definition, that is a liability, not an asset.
Unless you rent it out, your home is a luxury consumption item. Kevin is house poor. He has a net worth of $500K on paper, but he can't buy groceries because all his cash is stuck in the drywall.
Don't be Kevin. Keep your liquidity liquid. Trick number 3, status signaling, the Peacock effect. Why does Kevin buy the $12,000 Rolex? Does he really love horology? Does he care about the movement? No, he buys it because he wants you to know he has $12,000. This is the status tax. Society tricks you into buying things you don't need with money you don't have to impress people you don't like.
Every time Kevin buys a round of drinks at the bar to look like a big shot, he is setting fire to his freedom.
Trick number 4, the credit card drug. Kevin treats his credit card limit like it's his money. It's not. It's the bank's money. He carries a balance. I'll pay it off next month, he says.
He pays 24% interest. Mathematically, paying 24% interest is a financial emergency. It is bleeding.
The optimizer uses credit cards like a scalpel, paid in full every month for the points. Kevin uses them like a chainsaw.
Trick number 5. Inflation, the silent thief. Kevin saves cash. He puts $10,000 in a Wells Fargo savings account, earning 0.01%. He feels safe. But inflation is running at 3% or 4% or higher. Every year, Kevin's money loses buying power. He is slowly drowning, but the water creates no bubbles. The wealthy don't hold cash. They hold assets. They hold real estate, stocks, crypto, gold, things that float when the dollar sinks. Okay, we have diagnosed the disease. We know what Kevin does. Now, how do we escape? We need an exit strategy. Step 1, the gap. Aggressive defense. Kevin increases his lifestyle every time he gets a raise. You are going to do the opposite. You are going to freeze your lifestyle. If you make $100K, live like you make $50K.
That $50K gap, that is not savings. That is your war chest. That is the capital we are going to use to buy your freedom.
Step 2, identity shift. Labor to capital. Kevin identifies as a VP of sales. He identifies as a worker. Workers trade time for money. If Kevin stops working, the money stops flowing. He is fragile. You need to identify as a capitalist. Capitalists trade money for more money. You take your war chest and deploy it into engines that work while you sleep. And now, step 3. This is the rule that separates the rich from the high earners. This is how you get the nice things Kevin has without becoming a slave like Kevin. It is called the asset first rule.
Let's say you want that $10,000 Rolex or a nice vacation. Here is Kevin's algorithm. Work, get paid, buy watch. Result, money is gone. He has to work again.
Here is the wealthy algorithm. Work, get paid, buy asset, and then the asset buys the watch.
Let me give you a real example from my life. I wanted a luxury car, a Porsche. The monthly payment was $1,500. Kevin would have just paid the $1,500 from his salary. I didn't. I took a lump sum of cash, $150,000, and I bought a boring, cash-flowing asset, maybe a stable-coin yield farm or a dividend portfolio. That asset paid me $1,500 a month in interest. I used that interest to pay for the car. 5 years later, I have the car, and I still have the $150,000 principal. The car was essentially free. I cheated the system. I used the yield to fund the lifestyle. The rule: never buy a liability with your principal. Only buy liabilities with your yield. This requires patience. Kevin wants the toy now. He is a child. The owner is willing to wait, build the asset, and get the toy for free later. He is an adult. You have a choice today. You can keep playing the status game with Kevin, you can compare leased cars and debt, or you can dismantle the cage. Live below your means. Buy assets first. Let your assets buy your luxuries. Now,
To execute Step 2, building the army of assets, you need a solid foundation. You can't build a skyscraper on quicksand.
And the biggest quicksand for high earners? It's not the car. It's the hidden fees in your retirement accounts.
If you are like Kevin, you probably blindly maxed out your 401k because HR told you to. And you are probably losing $172,000 in hidden fees right now.
I broke down exactly how to spot that trap and how to fix it in this video, the $172,000 401k lie. Don't let Kevin win. Click here. Plug the leak. Build the gap. Cheers.